Hello, my name is Antonio Archer, and I will be showing you my new engine proxy. Engine proxy is an application I built because I use a bunch of different browsers and I use a bunch of different laptops, and so I like to use different search engines instead of my browser. So having one like search engine that converts it to a bunch of different search engines is really nice for me. It acts sort of like a bookmark bar, and here you can see the different search engines I have. Basically, I like to use site search a lot for some reason. For instance, like let's say you want to watch something on YouTube, but you don't want to go all the way to youtube.com, and then you have to search for it. Or even worse, if it's a brand new browser, you have to go to google.com, then you would have to go to YouTube, then you have to click here. That's a real nuisance to me, right? And so I like to be able to just type in my title bar IYT and then search for whatever I want. Like let's search for Christmas music. We do that and it will automatically convert to Christmas music. Now, that was really fast. And I'll explain to you what's happened essentially, right? So essentially this application I built here, Engine Proxy, this URL right here converts any query that I make into a different website, basically. These websites that I set right here. Unduck is made by a different YouTuber. His name is Theo, and essentially it's using DuckDuckGo's banks. So, if you don't understand what's going on yet, my engine proxy is taking a bunch of different search engines. For instance, it's using a bunch of different search engines that is all baked into DuckDuckGo. And mines act as the very top of this tree, and you could connect literally any site that you want from in here side of DuckDuckGo. For instance, Goodread, right? If I was to type this, IGR Pokemon, I can search Goodreads for Pokemon because I'm using DuckDuckGo's search essentially. So I can have access to literally any sort of power through that. And I find that really cool. I'm a part of I have my own instance of OpenWebUI, right? So if I type IGPT, how are you? It'll go in the OpenWebUI and it'll ask OpenWebUI a question automatically. Same thing for something like Perplexity. Perplexica. Okay, it connecting to my browsers like other search engines. But IP, we do this. How can you bet? I don't know. Perplexity. And just by default, I can have access to literally every website and search inside of any website just by using this. And if you've been using your browser for a while, if you click this search engine button, find where you keep your search engines, you can see that it automatically collects some search engines for you. And you can use all of these inside of my app and on any device. I don't know if you'll have any use for it really, but if you do, then it's open source. You can also self-host it, which is the only way to really run it. I mean, you can host it on your own machine, not like in the cloud like I do. But it's really neat, and it's really helpful, and it saves me a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of energy. So this was more of a ramble video. I didn't actually go in depth or whatever. This is just a single take. Please leave comments below if you like it. And if you need any help trying to get it set up, I will help you. But we also have pretty decent instructions on Docker Hub and on GitHub. All right, thank you.